Hello everyone, I'm Captain Gibber Lee. Today is our talk 12. We will continue on the exercise 1, which was an eastbound vessel meeting 3 ships outbound of the Singapore port. Today's 2 captains have one particular case, which was maybe aware by him or by me. Okay, let's take a quick review of what we got here. Right now, vessel is sailing nearby the separation zone. So, any ship coming outbound to eastward, to the far east, have to make a sharp turn, 90-degree turn, from course maybe 125 to 065. So, these vessels are not foolish. I think everybody will make his best. As long as he crosses the channel, he won't adjust his course as the general direction of the traffic. That means he won't out course to 066 degree. So if our vessel is sailing nearby the separation line, it means we come across this vessel with large dangers. So no matter how good your seamanship or ship handling, you go into this dangerous area like the red spot, you are foolish. Maybe you can good for 1 or 2, 10 years, 20 years, but one day you are getting old. You forgot everything. Okay, right now we see this vessel is increasing speed. After 6 minutes, his speed increased from the 19 knots to 28 knots. So if the speed is increased, what the captain can do to avoid the danger? Captain is concentrate on the ship's movement. Although the ship didn't change the course very much, but he used a lot of rudders order, and finally the course still 065. Maybe captain just trying to steady the vessel using the rudder. Okay, we see if we increase the speed, the vessel is going this hour speed after 6 minutes 11 seconds. And this is the light blue one is our rudder's order, and the engine speed is increased. Okay, this is the picture after the vessel have 6 minutes exercise, already clear of the collision spot, and the 3 outbound vessels cannot match our own ship. But this is not real world. In the real world, your vessel cannot increase speed to 28 knots. So this is not an option. But if you go in as fast as this one, if some small vessel, small fishing vessel, come across your coastline, then you will have very long stick to swing or slam, like the vessel we saw in the Shanghai fairway. So if it's not necessary, don't increase your speed. Just slow down, then everything passing first. Okay, this is last captain in exercise number 1. If you are the red container vessel on this position, you are about to meet the green light, yellow light, red light, also one collision hotspot, where outbound vessels all come into this spot. So you are actually looking for trouble in your career. If you can passing safely, then you are still feeling the stress and maybe tired of your sea venture. All this trouble going away if you are the green container vessel on this line. The outbound vessel won't come across your coastline, so you are safe. Only this small fishing vessel crossing the traffic, but you can always get around on her stern, so it won't be a big problem as long as the ship heading is under your control. Okay, let's see this diagram. It was the captain who reduced the speed at the beginning of the exercise. This is always a very good practice. It minimizes your collision stick or collision line or your collision deck. Then minimize your collision risk. So what do we see? The engine dropped to 11.5 knots within about 6 minutes. So this is also the privilege of a container vessel, because he have higher initial speed. So once he want to reduce the speed to give way to other vessels, they can always gain more speed lost. If you are a round vessel, a bulk carrier, crude oil carrier, VLCC, maybe your initial speed only 12 knots. How many knots you can reduce? It's very rare. But the round vessel have one advantage. The vessel responds to the course change very quickly. So there was very good practice for the round vessel, VLCC, or the bulk carrier, as long as they can steady the ship course without losing control. So the container vessel is good at reduced speed. The bulk carrier is good at change course. These two different characters of the ship we are handling at the sea. Okay, let's see the speed reduced to 11.5 knots. Course changed to 059.7. The rudder used at 3.5 minutes. So let's check on what's happening when the ship is at 3 minutes time. In here, 3 outbound vessels still on our port side. The master feelings anxious, so he want to give way to the outbound vessel. If you are not in this coastline, you are in the green container's coastline, their outbound vessel is nothing to do with you. So, but right now here, if the master is smart enough, or he have listened to what I have teaching, he can check on the APA scheme. They always give very clear picture. If you set your collision stick to 3 minutes, you can see after 3 minutes, even it's very close, but on ship, these 3 outbound vessels can passing our ship bow. So if you are the master, your major concern is how can you reduce the speed even more? So what we say is by rudder cycling. That's the technique we will be used in this exercise scenario. Later we will teach. Okay, let's see what happened after 6 minutes. All outbound vessels already passing ship's head, and the small outbound vessel, we have another 2 minutes to go into the collision spot with him. So maybe the master is this right now on ship is pointing to the second outbound vessel. The first outbound vessel already taking his route in this traffic lane. So this vessel on ship may be trying to avoid this first outbound vessel. So this problem is the same reason. If you don't come in nearby this separation area, there will be no problem with you. They go their way, you go your way. So next time before you transit Singapore Port or the Malacca Strait, make sure you read the voyage planning, check every course and ship position, and always estimate where you will get your collision risk. Where is collision hotspot? That is a smart navigator, qualified sailor, and a good seaman should do. Okay, finish for today's talk. Bye bye everybody.